is sweeping the nation, and if you don't know how to use it for your real estate business, you may get left behind. If you're new, hi, I'm Melanie Super. I already have financial freedom. I run a global real estate team, and now I'm obsessed with helping realtors like you grow their business. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 realtors hit 7 or 8-figure businesses. And in this video, I'm gonna give you 5 genius ways that realtors are using ChatGPT to grow their real estate business. And if you're lucky, I may even share a bonus tip at the end, so make sure you stick around. Now, if you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's basically a chat robot that you can ask it almost anything and it will give you the answers. So I'm going to share my screen now and I'm going to give you the 5 best ways that you can use it to grow your real estate business. You can start by going to chat.openai.com. It looks like this. You do need to make an account, but once you have that, it just looks like a chat box. So the first thing that I'm going to say ChatGPT is amazing for is for lead generation. Now, if you've watched my other videos, you know that I'm obsessed with social media because I think it's the best way to leverage your time and energy and to reach the most amount of people. So you can use ChatGPT as a way to help you brainstorm content ideas. So one of my favorite prompts is, you are my social media assistant. I am a realtor. Make me a 10-day social media content calendar. And that's fine. You can see that it will give you day 1, post a photo of yourself with a caption introducing yourself as a realtor and mentioning your passion for helping clients. Ask your audience to share their favorite home features or their dream home locations in the comments. Number 2, local market insights. Share a post highlighting the current real estate market in your local area. Include relevant statistics such as average home prices or days on the market. Number 3, client testimonial. Post a testimonial from a satisfied client. Include a photo of the property you helped them buy or sell. Ask your audience to share their own experience or recommend your service to others. Day 4, home buying tips. Share a post with tips for first-time home buyers. Include advice on topics such as mortgage pre-approval, home inspections, or negotiating offers. Day 5, virtual home tour. Post a video or series of photos showcasing a virtual home tour. Highlight the key features. Day 6, local business spotlight. Feature a local business or service that complements the home buying process. Day 7, home staging tips. Share tips on staging a home to sell quickly. Day 8, neighborhood highlight. Choose a neighborhood or community in your area to create a post highlight. Day 9, Q&A session. Invite your audience to submit their real estate related questions in the comments or through direct messages and select a few answers and answer them. Day 10, behind the scenes. Share a behind the scenes photo or video of yourself at work. Include a caption expressing gratitude. Remember to mix up the content. This is amazing. These 10 days are fantastic, just as the creativity of what to post. I talk to agents all the time. I've coached thousands of realtors, and the biggest thing is they say, I don't know what to post. You never can use that excuse again. You never can use that excuse again, because here's amazing 10 ideas just like that. Now, the number 2 thing is now you can use ChatGPT to have it write your captions. So for example, day 7 was home staging tips. So I'm gonna say, thanks. Please give me 3, I'm gonna say 2 caption ideas for day 7 home staging tips. Now, it will say, certainly here are 2 caption ideas for day 7 home staging tips. Number 1, ready to sell your home? Make it irresistible with these home staging tips. From decluttering to creating inviting spaces, we've got you covered. Share your own staging experiences, before, after photos in the comments. It even has hashtags and emojis. Hashtag home staging tips, hashtag selling homes, hashtag real estate advice. Or if you don't like that, you can say, first impressions matter when selling your home. Follow these home staging tips to create a captivating space, blah, blah, blah. Now, this could be as easy as just taking this, copying it, putting it into your Facebook, putting it into your Instagram or whatever, adding a photo, and that's your post. It can be so easy. I will say, and if you have already subscribed to the channel, you've heard me say this before, the best marketing strategy is being yourself. Therefore, ChatGPT, when you take captions like this, you lose obviously that piece of yourself because a robot wrote it and not yourself. So I highly recommend using this as your base and dressing it up a little with your own words, making it sound like you have your own personality come through, because at the end of the day, what separates you from the hundreds of other realtors that are still working in your city? It's your personality, it's your experience, it's the things that make you you, and ChatGPT just isn't going to have that. So this can get you 90% of the way. It can get you 100% of the way if you're just so busy. If it's between posting this or posting nothing, I would say post this. However, if you can, take the extra 5-10 minutes, dress it up a little bit, make it sound like you. That will make such a big difference because people can feel that humanness in it, and that will be what resonates with them and what reaches out to them and makes them want to work with you as a realtor. If your main focus is growing your team or your brokerage, you can use ChatGPT the same exact way. You can say, I am recruiting realtors to join my team. Give me 3 to social media post ideas. And it will say, of course, here are 2 social media post ideas to recruit realtors to join your team. Join our dynamic real estate team. Start with an engaging headline to grab attention. Highlight the benefits of joining your team. Share testimonials. Include a call to action. This is fantastic advice. Add a relevant hashtag. Now hiring realtors, real estate career. Join our team. 2, are you passionate realtor looking for new opportunities? Begin with a question that resonates with ambitious realtors. Describe the unique advantages of joining your team. Emphasize your team's collaborative and supportive culture. Include information about training. Okay, now here's where things get really interesting. So I'm gonna say, write me an example of your second post idea. What do you need from me to write it effectively? Now, you saw in the social media examples for home staging tips, it was kind of bland, and that's because I didn't ask it to ask me what it needed. Now, ChatGPT, you can make it your assistant, and you can have it help you write the prompts. So this is saying right now, to write this post effectively, I would need the following information from you. Your real estate team name. So I'm gonna say my team is called the Royal Circle. It's going to say, are there specific benefits? Yes, we offer tons of free coaching, free courses, free mentorship, great community, extra ways to earn income, and more. Details about our collaborative culture. Okay, our culture is very strong. We accept agents in all 50 states and globally as well. We mentor new agents, and we even had one new agent earn $150,000 in 2 months after joining us, and after being at KW for 6 months without earning anything. We do live Zoom calls 4 times a week, and we have all of the recordings available for people that can't make it live. The agents will also get our recruiting secrets program for free. We will work to help them grow their own organization so they can earn residual income. They can also get free stocks for selling homes, which they are doing anyway. Contact information, I'm going to say book a call below with my Calendly link. Now it has this information, and it's going to customize my post. So you can see the difference between that home staging tips, which was just very generic, and now, hey, are you ready to take your real estate career to the next level? Join the Royal Circle, a team committed to your success and growth in the industry. We offer a wealth of opportunities for realtors looking to excel in their careers. As a member of the Royal Circle, you'll receive free coaching, courses, and mentorship, all designed to help you thrive. Our strong and supportive community spans all 50 states and even reaches globally. Whether you're just starting out or have years of experience, we welcome agents from all backgrounds. Imagine the possibilities when you have access to our exclusive live Zoom calls held 4 times a week, even if you can't attend live. All the sessions are recorded and available for you to catch up on. Learn from the industry experts and successful agents who share their knowledge and strategies, but it doesn't stop there. When you join the Royal Circle, you'll also receive our Recruiting Secrets program for free. We're dedicated to helping you build your own organization and earn residual income. Plus, you can even earn free stocks for doing what you're already doing, selling homes. Ready to take the leap? Book a call with us through the link in our bio, and let's discuss how the Royal Circle can elevate your real estate career to new heights. See how much difference it is with that one extra step. Most people are not sharing that. Most people are not sharing that. They're just saying, oh, tell ChatGPT to write you a listing description. Oh, tell ChatGPT to write you a Facebook post. If you say, what do you need from me to make this even better. It will ask you a couple follow-up questions, and then night and day, you can see how much better that is. So that is the best tip. If that is new information to you and blowing your mind, drop an emoji below in the comments. That's my favorite thing. So if you ask ChatGPT to help you help it, it will make such better content for you. So using that, also the third tip is listing descriptions. I kind of let it slip earlier, but you can say, I have a new listing at 123 Main Street. It is 3 bedrooms and two baths. Write me a listing description and say, what do you need from me to do this effectively? Most people stop at write me a listing description. You can say, now that you've watched this video, what do you need from me to do this effectively? And it will say, give me the key features, give me the description, give me the room details, give me the desirable neighborhoods. So you could say, okay, there's a big backyard, it's this many square feet, the roof was just updated, you know, this is when you can go in. Now, I'm not gonna go through it in detail in this video because I just did it in the last one, and there's so many more tips that I wanna share with you, but just know this one question, what do you need from me so that you can do this effectively, will change all of your ChatGPT outputs and help so much. So the third thing that you can do is write listing descriptions. I don't know about you, that's my least favorite part of the job. My TC does that for us now, and maybe she uses ChatGPT, I don't care. Her listing descriptions are fantastic, but you should use ChatGPT to help you if you're writing them, because it will save you so much time and brain space. And again, like I was saying before, you can still go in and use that as a base and go in and tweak it and make it sound like you and make it better. This is just helping you go from 0 to 80, and you can take it from 80 to 100% instead of you having to go from 0 to 100%. The fourth thing that I use ChatGPT for all the time is writing emails or messages to clients, or if you're watching this for agent attraction side, for agents. For example, you can say in the real estate side, help me write a brief message to my real estate client explaining that we need to lower the price of their home. Use NVC. NVC is nonviolent communication. I like to use it because it is a communication model that really validates their feelings and makes it easier to deliver hard news or hard conversations. So this is saying, dear client's name, I hope this message finds you well. I want to take a moment to discuss an important aspect of your sale. Your trust and expertise means a great deal to me, and I always strive to provide you with the best possible guidance. After carefully analyzing the current market dynamics and considering recent buyer feedback, I believe it is in our mutual interest to make a strategic adjustment to the listing price of your home. I understand this may not be the news you were hoping for, but please allow me to explain my reasoning. While your home is undoubtedly an exceptional property, our primary objection is to position it competitively within the market to attract potential buyers and generate significant interest. By slightly adjusting the price, we can ensure that it aligns more closely with current market conditions. This is fantastic. If you think this is too long, you can say, great, make it shorter. You can tell ChatGPT to do whatever you want. It's a fantastic tool. Now it's shorter. I hope you're doing well. After careful consideration and market analysis, I believe it's necessary to adjust the price. Look how much shorter this is. This adjustment will help us attract more motivated buyers and maximize your potential returns. Rest assured, this doesn't reflect any shortcomings in your property. Instead, it's a proactive step to align with current market conditions and optimize your home's positioning. This is fantastic. It's not that I don't know how to communicate with a client and talk to them. It's just the amount of brain space that it takes for me to think, okay, how can I say this in a way that, you know, communicates that I'm professional and that this is in their best interest and all of these things, when I can just in 2 seconds, as you saw, put it in ChatGPT and use that message as well. So I've also, sometimes I'll take emails and I'll say, hey, like I'll write the first draft and I'll put it into ChatGPT and say, make this more professional, or make this more casual, or make this more funny, or make this more whatever, persuasive. So using it as a tool, I don't think that robots, AI, ChatGPT, I don't think they're going to replace us, but I do think they will, if you're not using it correctly, you will get left behind. So people that can combine their brain power with the robot brain power, they are going to thrive. So you can use it to write real estate updates. So you can say, I live in Austin, Texas, write a real estate market update for my clients. And Dear valued clients, we hope this update finds you well as trusted partners in your real estate journey, strong market, blah, blah, blah. It's just writing a whole email. So that is one less thing that you need to worry about. Now, all you need to do, or you can have an assistant, copy and paste this, put this in your CRM, send this out to your people, post it on Facebook if that's what you do, whatever it is. It's one less thing for you to worry about. So you can use ChatGPT to write market updates, to write anything, newsletters for you if that's something that you send out weekly to your sphere to, keep top of mind. Use ChatGPT to help you with your email marketing. So anything that you can do to make your life easier, to clear up your brain space so that you can focus on the things that only you can focus on, put them into ChatGPT. Have OpenAI do that for you. Which brings us to our bonus tip, and that is just anything in your life that frees up your brain space. If you know anything about me, you know I love leverage. I'm all about optimizing our lives, optimizing our output, everything that we can do to, make more money, help more people, and so that we can spend our time and energy doing whatever it is that we want to do. So I use ChatGPT in my quote personal life all the time. Sometimes if I'm having a hard conversation with my mom or a friend or something, I'll do the same thing. Hey, write an email to my brother and tell him blah, blah, blah. I don't do that often because I don't need to have that many hard conversations, but if it was something weighing on me and distracting me from focusing on work, I would do it. Something I also use, you can say, hey, write me a meal plan for this week. I want every meal to have vegetables and one meat item. And it will make you a meal plan. I mean, I have it help me with packing lists. I have it help me with things like even math equations. If I don't have to do it in my brain, and if it takes me 10 seconds to type it into ChatGPT, I'm gonna have ChatGPT do it, because your time is the most valuable thing that you have, and your energy is the most valuable thing that you have. And if you can outsource anything to a free, this is still right now free, ChatGPT, it will help you, even if this just saved you 10 minutes of thinking about it, or mental load as people call it. If you say, hey, here are the 10 chores that I need to do this week, write me a to-do list, and order them in terms of hardest to easiest, that will help you get it done. That will help you clear your brain space. That will help you focus more on what will make the biggest impact in your business, make the biggest impact to your clients, in your life. And that is what I'm all about. Now, I hope you found this helpful. Quick recap of the 5 best ways that realtors are using ChatGPT to grow their business. The first is going to be using it to help you brainstorm content ideas for social media, whether that's for real estate clients or for recruiting agents to your team or brokerage. The second thing, use it to help you write that content. And bonus tip, don't forget to ask it what it needs from you to write it more effectively, because that will take it from like a C post to an A post. And then you can sprinkle your own magic on it and make it an A+ post. The third thing is have it write market update emails for you, or weekly newsletters that you can send out to your people. The fourth one is listing descriptions, so you don't have to do those yourself. And the fifth one is using it to write messages to clients or emails that you just could do, but it's not worth all of your time and energy to think and make it very well written. And the bonus tip is any ways in your life that you can think to outsource any of that brain power into ChatGPT, whether that's helping you plan for a vacation, helping you pack for a vacation, helping you plan your weekend with your kids, your meals, your grocery list, your birthday present for your mother-in-law, whatever it is. If you can think about it, ChatGPT can probably help you with it. So I hope this helped. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. I post new videos every single week all about leverage, wealth creation, marketing, real estate, everything to help you create the business of your dreams so you can live the life that you deserve. Now remember, you are all kings and queens, and abundance is your birthright. I'll see you at the top.